Hello guys, welcome back once again to the Crypto Academy. Thank you guys for having me today, and we're going to see the state of the market and cryptocurrencies. Guys, we had outstanding news on Monday and wasn't too happy. Bitcoin was not too happy today. As you can see, last night Bitcoin price started dipping and going down fast and furious. Why is that? Well, in case you do not know, there's a meeting. It's a federal meeting by Jerome Powell's. Okay, they once again they're going to address the nation regarding state of the economic situation here in the country. Okay, and basically this is what you're gonna have, right? And Bitcoin went down to 18,000 and change, came back up, and sort of regained 19,000 and change. Amid situations that might arise once this gentleman talks about the economic situation. All right, so this is what it is. The markets already, they priced in a 0.75 raised or base points. Okay, but one thing that you need to remember, three numbers: 0.25, 0.75, and 1. Okay, we believe that 0.25 is already out of the window, right? Because when he addressed the nation the last time, he said that we're gonna tighten the market, we're gonna go with full force, and this is not gonna end soon. So the market already priced in, technically, that we're not gonna go. He's not gonna raise the base points just by mere 0.25. Okay, there's a chance that he's gonna go for 0.75. A lot of people are with 0.75. But now, you know how it is with the market. People talk to each other, and maybe somebody or some group or some financial entity got wind that there's a possibility that it's not gonna be 0.75 basis points, but it's probably gonna have to go to 1%, a whole 100 points, and this is no good. Markets don't like that. The higher the number, basically, the more of a muscle the country or the government is going to put on the market, all right? On the S&P 500, on the legacy markets, and also on crypto. It's not going to let it go up. It's going to pull back, all right? The higher this number, so 0.25, the market knew it's fine. 0.25 means that we're going to go, things are going okay. But we all know the economy is not going okay. And there's a good chance also that all these numbers, CPI, inflation, is all cooked. Meaning it's not the real thing. They just are fixing the books to make it look like it's on the right path. But it's not. We all know that this is not going to end well, and still there's more suffering in the horizon. Having said that, the market knew about this, or sort of had an idea about these things, right? And look what happened last night. They might have an idea that the economy is not out of the woods yet. It will not be for a long time, okay? And it took a nice dive all the way here to 18,000 and change. It sort of regained all the way back up again. But as today, the candle that opened today is going to the downside, okay? It's already minus $50 on the Bitcoin price. And this is what's going on because of this whole situation with the equities and commodities and the dollar index going up. So if I can frame you this information, basically everything is going out of whack. Economy is going to go bad, and it's still going to go bad for a few more months or maybe until next year. So there's a good chance that when the FOMC, basically, it's called the Federal Open Market Committee, which I believe they're gonna meet on Wednesday. Tomorrow's Tuesday, so 2 days from now they're gonna come again. This guy's gonna sit in the podium. They're gonna say something that the market is gonna absorb, whether either as positive or negative. Now, I think just like a few 25% of 100% of the people believed, we're not going for 0.75. We cannot go for 0.75, guys. We cannot go for 0.75. We need to go, not even 100. We need to go harder on this inflation. We need to go all out to try to tame this inflation. Otherwise, we're going to pay dearly in the near and long-term future. You see all the money that we got back in 2020 when this thing happened and was discovered and we all going crazy, and there was a lot of money. The brrr, the copy machine making all those dollars. People went crazy getting money up to the wazoo. Well, it's time to pay back now, and it's showing the economy. So that's why he's now saying things are getting out of hand. We need to tighten the economy, and that's what the 0.25 that we thought was going to be 0.25. The market thought it was going to be 0.25. No, it's either 0.75, but I'm almost guaranteed that people are going to get a big surprise, and it's going to be 100% instead of 0.75 basis points. It's going to be 1, round up to 1, and that has a lot of implications on people getting loans. They're going to have to pay almost double the amount of money now. If you bought a house, it's not a fixed rate, and now you're paying a mortgage on a rate that is variable rate. You're in deep trouble, my friend, because there's a good chance that whatever you're paying before, now you're going to have to pay double that. All right? So, but we need to do this in order to tame, control the market, okay? We need to do that, otherwise things are going to get out of hand with the inflation going up the roof. Okay, enough of this news. So Wednesday, keep in mind, it's either 25, 0.25, 0.75, or 1, a whole 1 number. Again, 0.25 is out of the window. That's basically going to do nothing. 0.75 is a little bit more aggressive, but I think we need to go to the 1, and that is going to surprise a lot of people. So between 0.75, which is already priced in the market, we might see a happy face, right? If we go 0.75, the market, we all knew that already. So it's probably going to start climbing up. But, and I mean but, if you go with 100, there's a good chance that we break all these prices, start coming down, guys. Start coming down. And again, before I say anything else, I am not, and I repeat, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not here to tell you how to spend your money. I'm not here to tell you what to invest. All right? This is only for entertainment and educational purposes, okay? Right. That being out of the way, if there's a good chance, right, that if we say, this gentleman says, okay, say what it needs to say, right? A lot of back and forth. But at some point, when I say something that the market is going to interpret as is 0.75 or is 1. If it goes to 1, again, there's a good chance that we're going to go down, 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 down. How low we can go? Well, again, if you ask me, you see this range here? This is going to be the first stop. We're already in this area, and that's why we're being sort of stuck. You see? Here, one touch, and also another touch here. This one, 14,000, we might stop, little breather, but I think we're going all the way in this area, guys. 13, 12, 13,000. Okay? But, and I keep saying but, there's a lot of buts here, right? We might go even lower. Even lower. All depends on how the market reacts. But for now, first step is going to be here. I do not believe that this is the bottom. All right? We need something that looks, and I keep saying that, like this. Ripping the Band-Aid. Something fast and furious. We haven't seen that here. Right? We need to see those candles flying up all the way to here. Here, the candles is merely nothing. So we need to see something like really brutal coming down to these numbers, and that I might call the bottom. Right? It might come down here, come kind of zigzagging up and down, and come a little lower. But I think once we visit this area here, it's game over. Or meaning we already went all the way down to the bottom. And guys, I keep saying this. This looks to me like a Wyckoff distribution. This being the trigger here. In other words, coming down, try to fool people, fool you, back down again, up, fooled you, back down again. And here is the final capitulation now, down to these areas, to start probably coming down clean and coming back up. But I have something else for you guys. A lot of people wondering, oh, where's the bottom? Where's the bottom? Where's the bottom? I'm telling you, it's going to be around this area here. From this top here, all the way to down here, like this area here. This, to me, is going to be the bottom. But now, where is the top on the next bull market? I think I know. But I will not tell you unless you leave that like. You leave a message asking me where is the top, and share this video with your friends, guys. Okay. I want to check the messages, see if you left any message there. All right. So again, guys, it's gonna be really quick. Basically, I just wanted to make you aware of this meeting, the FOMC, and it's gonna take place, I believe it says here, Wednesday. Yeah, 2 days from now. 0.25 out of question. We're not gonna go for that. 0.75. There's a probability, and the market will be happy with 0.75. They'll take that. Okay. Now, one that might rattle the market and probably continue our move to the downside. Okay, guys. Something I would like to tell you also. I will be giving you, again, no financial advice, just for entertainment purposes. I will talk to you about some altcoins. Okay, do you know what an altcoin is? If you don't know, again, hit the like, click that bell once, and then twice. Okay, you have to click it twice so you can get all my videos. Once you subscribe, you go to the little bell, and there's one that has like a little indentations on the side. That's the one you have to click so you can see all my videos. All right, and I'm gonna give you some nuggets, good ones, all the coins that I believe they're gonna fly off the handle on the next bull run. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, and remember, if you're going to play safe. But before anything else, guys, educate yourself. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the videos. Stay tuned. See you when I see ya.